Does acupuncture interfere with my regular medical treatment? In an effort to restore and maintain their health, many people have turned to the ancient practice of acupuncture. Acupuncture was actually conceived and tested in China thousands of years ago before it spread through other areas of Asia. It is a way of manipulating the energy in our body through the use of acupuncture points in order to bring it back into a natural balance. This balance, which is found between the cold and hot forces that regulate our body, is often the key to better health and an overall sense of well-being. Unfortunately, many of us are riddled with illnesses and we may have already come under the care of a medical doctor. Although doctors are able to do some good things for us and to take care of our maladies to a certain extent, it may also interfere with our ability to be healed in a natural method. Acupuncture does not use any kind of medicine and is a totally natural way to bring our body back into balance. Many people are concerned, however, that by using acupuncture they are actually interfering with their regular medical treatments. Where does one strike a balance in this particular regard? The best thing that you can do is to discuss the possibility of using acupuncture with both your acupuncturist and with your medical doctor. Whenever you go in for your first acupuncture visit, you will be asked a series of questions which will help the doctor to understand your particular situation and any surrounding circumstances in regards to your situation. This would include, of course, any current medical treatments that you're undergoing. It is very important that you let your acupuncturist know of any of these treatments, as they may have a bearing on what kind of acupuncture treatment you will be able to receive. Of course, in most cases acupuncture is perfectly fine even if a person is undergoing some other form of medical treatment or is taking a prescription medication. There may be some instances, however, that acupuncture is not a good idea, such as when a person is wearing a pacemaker or is currently pregnant. As long as you don't hold back any information from either your doctor or your acupuncturist, you should be able to find out if you are able to take this kind of a treatment and seek a natural cure for your maladies.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.